Hello, today is the last day of this training. We are in day 21. Today is the last day of this training. Please, at the end of today's training, I will use 1 day training again. That day will be a day of remark and conclusion of all our training from day 1 to day 21. Please make sure you watch the conclusion aspect of this particular training. It is very important for you. Please don't miss it. That particular content may even supersede all the ones you have watched from beginning to the end. Today is day 21. Day 21, they are about moving from this brooding room to the rearing room. On day 21, throughout the day, what you have is a very good conducive temperature for them. Very good ventilation for them because they're about living. You have already given them the last vaccination, either organically or synthetically. Any one you are using is good for you. Then feed. Make sure you feed them properly well. Assuming they are traveling, assuming you are moving them to a very far distance, please don't give them food. Only give them vitamin and water. Let there be good biosecurity, light at the night, very good space. Check their health before they move from the brooding room. And at the same time, make sure you give them the accurate vaccine. Please watch this day 21 and ask your question. Drop your comment, give it a thumb up if you have liked this training from the beginning, and share this content right from day 1 till today. This video, and make sure you make yourself a member of this particular platform. Subscribe and follow us on this particular channel. Thank you for watching. Till I come with another interesting topic on this particular channel. Bye for now. We love you all. If you have any business to share with us, if you have any consultancy, both in feed formulation, both in poultry construction, feed formation, analysis, consultations, and everything concerning poultry, livestock, and fish farming, we are there for you. Consult us, call us on our number, or send us a very message. We'll answer you and respond appropriately. I'll come back tomorrow here with another very good content as a conclusion of all the whole training. I remain your humble servant and teacher, Dr. Leonard Charles Mwogu, till I come with the conclusion aspect of this training. This is day 21. You can see the sizes. These broilers are weighing 1.2 kg on day 21, immediately after brooding. 1.2 kg is the weight of these broilers. This is day 21, 1.2 kg. Average of 1 kg. You can see that this is a very good result. 1.2 kg is not easy to get after brooding. It's an outstanding result. Thank you for watching this complete training on organic brooding from day 1 to day 21.